Hey guys, this is Fondo on Chupagam. Tonight on Imbewu, please like, comment, and subscribe. Maharaji cuts a deal with Kulego to help finding Makosazana returning for Kulu help with something else. Maharaji refused the deal of Kulego after Kulego pointed Maharaji with the gun. But Nokzola tries to stop Kulego, but Kulego continue with pointing Maharaji. While Kanyo blames Pagate for running things with Mzwandile. Mzwandile kick out Kanyo because Pagate tell Mzwandile that he is not well for his child, and Mzwandile decides to kick out Kanyo. Zagiti and Mazulu are shocked when Kulego called an emergent border meeting, while Mazulu was telling Zagiti that Shira is Maharaji's daughter. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.